if p equals to log root 27 plus log root 64 minus log root 1000 divide log 6 minus log 5, show that p equals to 3 by 2. It's a very important math for any kinds of international examination like GCSE, SCT or SET. First, we can start from here. The law of logarithm or law of exponent, we know here log, here is a root 27. If we want to omit root, we can write the number to the power 1 by 2. So this 27 we also write 3 to the power 3 times, against root we can write 1 by 2. Okay, then plus log, here is 64, we can write 4 cube times 1 by 2. Why 1 by 2? Because we don't want to use root sign. Minus log 10 cube, it means 1000. Instead of root we can use times 1 by 2. And here is log 6, we can write log 2 times 3 minus log 5. Okay, we know one thing, like log a to the power b, we can write b log a. Similar, this one we can write 3 by 2 log 3. Here 3 by 2 log 4 minus 3 by 2 log 10, right? Now we also know log AB means log A plus log B. Okay, this one we know. So this one we can write log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Okay, now look, here is a common thing, 3 by 2. So we can take common 3 by 2. So here is log 3 plus log 4 minus log 10. In denominator, log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Look, our target to make p equals to 3 by 2. Okay, now look, 3 divided 2, here is log 3 plus this log 4, we can write log 2 plus log 2. How? Because log 4 we can write log 2 times 2. So as per log AB we can write log A plus log B. Similar, this one we can write log 2 plus log 2, and this log 10 we can write minus log 2 plus log 5. How? Because log 10 means log 2 times 5, right? This one we can write like this. Okay, we can use second bracket, log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. 3 divide 2. So this one we can write log 3 plus what? Log 2 plus log 2 minus log 2, and plus a minus a minus log 5. Divide log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. Okay, this one we can clear, no need at this moment. Now look, this log 2 and minus log 2 we can out, right? So we can write 3 divide 2, and here is log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5 divide log 2 plus log 3 minus log 5. So denominator and numerator we can out this one, so we can write 3 by 2. Look, the right side also 3 by 2. So look, this is very important math, no doubt, and we are simplifying this logarithm very sophisticated way, one by one, step by step we try to solve this one. So look, show that p equals to 3 by 2, we already get 3 by 2. So left hand side equals to right hand side equal, so solved. So by this channel we are trying to solve lots of international type math and also local math. Actually math is an international thing, anywhere the symptom is same. I hope you will enjoy this channel. If you have any question, just put on your comments at comments box, and don't forget subscribe the channel. Thank you.